Buongiorno e ciao a tutti. I'm Aaron, your instructor here at 99 Problemi. This video is the first in a series about pronunciation difficulties, and where Italian is a highly phonetic language, meaning that the spelling of the words represents the spoken language in a way that is very close to how it sounds. Difficulties do arise from time to time. One such difficulty is the letters chi and chiaka. And so in this video we'll be looking at what happens when C or chi is with a, o, or u, which isn't really difficult. The difficulty comes into play with the ci, ce, chi, che sound combinations, which I'll say right now are chi, che, ki, and k. That's chi, che, ki, k. So those will present great difficulties when you're looking at them as a native English speaker. So this video will seek to work out those difficulties. Alright, chi with a, o, u. These are not particularly difficult sounds, but people tend to overcorrect them after being introduced to the challenging sounds, usually by adding an H in to keep the hard K sound, but it's really not necessary because CA is ka. It's already got the hard K sound. So adding the CHA is totally redundant. Alright, so these are pronounced as follows. Ka, as in kane. Ka, kane. Ko, as in Coca-Cola. Ko, Coca-Cola. Ku, cuoco. Ku, cuoco. Alright, chi, che, chi, ki, ke. The C before E and I is pronounced as the ch in church. The presence of the H hardens the sound of the C, as in ki and k, pronounced ki and k respectively. Let's try to practice some of these words as I say them. Write the words down as you listen to them, and I will review the answers, and you can check to see if you're hearing me correctly. Let's start off with K. Write down the word K. Then write down the word amici. Amici. Don't worry if you don't get all of the letters correct in these dictation exercises. Just focus on the problematic sound and getting the rule for that down. Did you get K in amici? Let's try some more. I'm going to give you 3 and then another group of 3. Porci. Porci. Perché? Perché? Chi? Chi? Porci? Perché? Chi? Next group. Anche. Anche. Bicicletta. Bicicletta. Pochi. Pochi. Anche. Bicicletta. Pochi. Alright, if you continue on, you'll get some more exercises. For this, I'm going to continue on with the dictation exercises. Just write out the words you hear, and then continue watching the video to check your answers. First one is celare. Celare. Followed by circa. Circa. cittadino, cittadino. Accetto, accetto. Arrivederci, arrivederci. Ciao, ciao. Pistacchio, pistacchio. Macchina, macchina. Violoncellista, violoncellista. Cinghiale, cinghiale. Remember, it's not important to get every letter in the word, but merely at this point to get the difficult chi, che, ki, and k sound correct. I've introduced many more difficulties with these words, and these will be cleared up in later videos, such as double consonants or even GHI sounds. Let's go on to the answers. Celare, celare. Circa, circa. Cittadino, cittadino. Accetto, accetto. Arrivederci, arrivederci. Ciao. Pistacchio, macchina. Violoncellista, cinghiale. Okay, this concludes the lesson on difficult sounds, chi and chi-akka. Keep practicing, and if you'd like to get notifications about videos as they are released, be sure to subscribe to 99 Problemi. Grazie!